Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this Tesla style screen. It's built-in Android 9 Pie system, 12.1-inch IPS screen, special for Toyota Highlander. Okay, let me unbox the review. Open the box. Okay, this is special heading and parts. Okay, let me show parts and honeys exposed. Okay. You can check this special honeys and this canvas box for Toyota Highlander canvas box. And you can connect the canvas box on this connection connected or disconnect. Okay, you can check this and honeys. It's special honeys for Toyota Highlander, and this radio antenna. Plug and play. It will come with a screw. Okay, this GPS antenna. You can check GPS antenna. Okay, and external microphone. And this cable to USB cable connect back of head unit. And this audio cable and other cable connect back of head unit. Okay, let me show. Okay, this Tesla style screen. You can check back. Okay, you can check. This power cable, ISO connector, and this connection, this fuse, and this for audio cable, USB, and other connection. This USB, and the radio antenna, this GPS antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, this back of head unit you can check. Okay. Let me connect the power on back of head unit. connect the ISO harness on back, you need to find the 12 power to connect head unit. Voltage power and plug back of head unit. Please make sure connect tight. You can check head unit will be started. Okay, you can check head unit already started. Okay, it's plug and play. Will show the AC information. You can check this volume and this knob. You can check. Have function. It's a built-in reset hole and this AC button. It will show the AC information on the screen. When you connect the AC on back of the head unit. Okay, this menu. Okay, let me show it. All apps are here. You can check. This is the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The link Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And built-in Google Maps and Play Store. Easy connection for Murlink, Android Auto, and it supports iPhone, both iPhone and Android phone. Okay, let me check the settings. More settings, it built-in Wi-Fi and show RK339PX6 chip Android 9 Pie system. Okay. We come back. It supports steering wheel controls and apps, GPS, data and time, language. It supports built-in DSP amplifier. This is DSP amplifier. Okay. And this console, you can set the settings and you really do not change this information. Other settings, you can check system info. It's RAM 4 GB, ROM 62 GB, touch key, boot logo. Okay, you have radio, music, and video, Bluetooth for free phone call. You can play music from Bluetooth, stream music. Also, you can download other applications from Play Store. Okay, that's all. Thank you. It's home screen and you can change the AC when you can install in the car. Okay, thank you.